Good day to all entrepreneurs out there. Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for business strategies and investment insights. We're here to provide you with valuable content that will help you grow your business and navigate the world of investments with confidence. Whether you're launching a startup or looking to scale an existing venture, we've got the tools and tips you need. Today, we are going to delve into the world of branding and how it can increase your business visibility. First off, let's understand what branding is. Branding, in essence, is a marketing practice. It's about creating a name, symbol, or design that distinguishes your product or service from others. It's not just about having a catchy logo or a memorable slogan. It's about creating a perception, an image of your company in the minds of your customers. It's about giving your business a voice, a personality, and an identity. Branding is vital because it makes a memorable impression on consumers. It can change how people perceive your brand. It can drive new business and increase brand awareness. Think about some of the most recognizable brands out there. Apple, Coca-Cola, Nike. What comes to mind? Innovation, happiness, athleticism. That's the power of branding. But branding is not just about making a company look cool or edgy. It's about standing out in a crowded market. It's about telling your story in a way that resonates with your audience. It's about being consistent in your messaging across all platforms and touchpoints, from your website to your social media, from your customer service to your product packaging. Everything should reflect your brand. A strong brand can attract customers and increase visibility. It can build customer loyalty and create trust. It can also give you the edge in increasingly competitive markets. But remember, branding is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process of understanding, developing, and maintaining your brand. And here's the thing about branding. It's not just for the big players. Whether you're a large corporation, a small startup, or a solo entrepreneur, branding is crucial. It's what sets you apart. What makes you unique. It's your promise to your customer. It's who you are, what you stand for, and how you want to be perceived. So, now that you understand what branding is, let's move on to how you can create a powerful brand for your business. Creating a strong brand involves several key steps. Firstly, let's talk about defining your brand. This is the cornerstone of your branding journey. Your brand is not just your logo or your company name. It's the entire experience your customers have with your company, products, or services. So, how do you define your brand? You need to consider your company's mission, the benefits and features of your products or services, what your customers and prospects already think of your company, and what qualities you want them to associate with your company. The second step is understanding your target audience. Your brand should be a reflection of who your target audience is. Who are they? What do they want? What do they need? What problems can you solve for them? The more you know about your target audience, the more powerful your brand message will be. Remember, your brand should speak to your audience. Next, let's move on to creating a unique logo and slogan. Your logo and slogan are the face of your brand, the first thing people see and remember. They should be unique and instantly recognizable. Your logo should be simple yet powerful, and your slogan should succinctly encapsulate your brand promise. They should work together to convey your brand's personality and values. Now let's talk about maintaining consistency across all platforms. In the digital age, your brand will exist on various platforms, from your website to social media. It's crucial that your brand is consistently represented across all these platforms. This means maintaining the same tone of voice, the same visual style, the same values. Consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity breeds trust. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of delivering on your brand promise. Your brand promise is the value or experience customers can expect to receive every single time they interact with your company. If you don't deliver on that promise, your brand will lose credibility. So, ensure that every aspect of your business, from your customer service to your product quality, is aligned with your brand promise. To recap, creating a strong brand involves defining your brand, understanding your target audience, creating a unique logo and slogan, maintaining consistency across all platforms, and delivering on your brand promise. Each of these steps is crucial, and they all work together to build a strong, recognizable brand. By following these steps, you can establish a strong and recognizable brand. Once you have established your brand, the next step is to implement effective branding strategies. Let's delve into the world of branding strategies that can increase your business visibility. Firstly, there's the power of storytelling. This is not just about telling a tale, but about weaving your brand's ethos, values, and journey into an engaging narrative. A compelling story can humanize your brand, making it relatable and memorable. It's all about showcasing what sets you apart. Remember, people don't just buy products or services, they buy stories and what those stories make them feel. Next, we have the realm of social media. With the world at our fingertips, it's hard to ignore the impact of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But it's not just about having a presence on these platforms. It's about leveraging them to engage with your audience, showcase your brand personality, and keep your brand top of mind. Regular updates, engaging content, and interactive posts can go a long way in elevating your brand visibility. Then, we come to the concept of a brand community. This is where your customers become your biggest advocates, creating a space where your customers can connect, share experiences, and feel a part of something bigger can foster a sense of belonging. This not only increases visibility, but also creates a loyal customer base. Remember, a happy customer is your best marketing tool. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the strategy of providing excellent customer service. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it often gets overlooked in the grand scheme of branding. Customer service is not just about resolving issues, it's about creating an experience that leaves a lasting impression. It's about showing your customers that they are valued and their satisfaction is paramount. This can turn a one-time customer into a repeat customer, and a repeat customer into a brand advocate. These strategies, when implemented effectively, can transform your brand from being just a name and logo to being a living entity that resonates with your audience. They can help your brand stand out in the crowded marketplace and shine a spotlight on what makes you unique. But remember, effective branding is not a one-time effort. It's a continuous process of learning, evolving, and adapting. So keep your eyes and ears open, stay in tune with your audience, and never stop innovating. Employing these strategies will not only increase your visibility, but also foster customer loyalty. So that's how you can brand your business for more visibility. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the significance of branding to the creation of a strong brand, and finally, the strategies that can make your brand stand out. Each of these components plays a crucial role in constructing a brand that not only resonates with your target audience, but also creates a lasting impression. Let's take a moment to recap. Branding isn't simply about having a catchy logo or a sharp tagline. It's about creating a unique identity that encapsulates the essence of your business. It's about telling a compelling story that resonates with your target audience and differentiates you from your competitors. To create a strong brand, you need to start by identifying your mission, vision, and values. This foundation will not only guide your branding efforts, but also inform every aspect of your business operations. From there, you can start to craft your brand's visual and verbal identity. This includes everything from your logo and color palette to your tone of voice and messaging. And finally, we delved into effective branding strategies. Remember, a strong brand isn't built overnight. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to adapt and evolve. Whether it's through social media engagement, content marketing, or strategic partnerships, it's important to be proactive and innovative in promoting your brand. So what's next? It's time to take action. Use the insights and strategies we've discussed today as a roadmap to build your brand. Start with a clear understanding of your business's core values, craft your brand identity, and then strategize to make your brand visible and impactful. This journey may seem daunting, but remember, each step you take towards building your brand brings you closer to creating a business that truly resonates with your audience and stands out from the crowd. Remember, a strong brand is key to business success. Thank you for tuning in to Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more business strategies and investment insights.